welcome back. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna do an eyelash, how to apply your false lashes tutorial. Okay, so this has been requested and I want to show you guys how I do it, my technique, and what steps and what I've learned to best apply them. So you guys see I have no lashes on right now. I'm looking kind of crazy, but we gonna get it together, so bear with me. All right, so guys, what you're gonna need, obviously you're gonna need some eyelashes. There's no specific type of eyelash. You can get eyelashes from the beauty supply, CVS, the drugstore, online boutiques, whatever you want to, wherever you want to get your lashes from, you can get them from. Today I'm going to be using the Azaretto. Let me make sure before I just start naming these damn lashes. Okay guys, so obviously you need a pair of lashes. So the lashes that I'm using today, I got sent, this is not sponsored by the way, I did buy these, but I got sent the I purchased the Azaretto Cosmetics, her lash line she has, this girl. And then 5% of the profit goes to cancer research. So I think that's really cool and it's a good cause. Also guys, I have a discount code if you want to purchase these. These are the ones I purchased. I believe these are in the style doll. These are what these look like. They're really pretty, wispy. They look like they have a thin lash band, so that's pretty good. These will be my first time opening these as well and using them. So they're brand new. I have not touched them or used them. And these are the other style. I got them at Hollywood. And the lashes, they range from about like $12.99 to $14.99, so not that bad. And I do have a discount, guys. I will leave it, I will put it in the video, or I will link it in the description box so you guys can get some money off if you want to check out her site. First, you want to get your lashes and you want to measure them on your eye. So I think I'm gonna, which one guys? Which one am I feeling? I'm gonna save Hollywood for another time because these are really like glam. So I'm just gonna go with doll today. I'm gonna take these out. I like the packaging too. It's really cute, really sleek and simple. They also give you instructions on the back on how to apply the lashes step by step and everything you need to know. And pretty much the steps on here is pretty much what I do as well, but it might be just a tad different. What I would do is I would take them out the case, and how you know which eye they go on, you just face them towards this way. So basically this goes on my left eye, this on my right eye. And then I would take my tweezers. So you're gonna want, you need lashes, you need a pair of tweezers. So any type of like lash application tweezers are nice. Like you can use the flat ones. I know they have ones that like curve on the eyelash that you can just like place right on your eye. I like these tweezers better because they're just able to I'm just able to like grip them. You're also gonna need some lash glue. So I used to use the clear lash glue. And I recommend using that if you're a beginner, because if you use the black kind, you'll most likely mess up trying it your first time. And I noticed that, but the more experience and the more you practice, I recommend using the black glue. And then you're gonna need to coat your eyes with mascara. I didn't used to do this step, but I started to realize that it actually helps the lashes like mesh well together, and you don't have like the blackness of the mascara. It blends in with the lashes, and you can't really tell that it's a fake lash. It can, I don't know if that makes sense. So those are the 3 things, or those are the 4 things you're gonna need to do when you do your lashes. I first take it off of the band like this. Let me get a little closer, guys, so you can see. So I take it off of the band like this. I just grab the tweezers and grip it off. Be careful because I've ripped lashes before and not good. Okay, and at that point what I like to do, I like to measure it on my eye. So I'll put it on my eye first to see how long, or if I need to cut it or not. So because you're gonna need to trim your lashes, they're all not gonna fit your eye perfectly. So you're gonna trim it to your eye just to see where I need to cut the lash. So I'll place it on. And it looks like I'm gonna have to cut the inner corner some more because this is really long right here. So I'm just gonna trim a little piece off. All right, so I'm gonna take some scissors. Handy dandy scissors. This little piece right here, can you guys see it? That first little notch. And I'm just gonna trim it like that. So after that's done, there's still some adhesive or like some glue from the packaging. I like to take the lash and I'll bend it and make the ends touch. The lash looks like this. You guys see that? Your lash will end up looking like that. I do this because it helps for it to form to your eye better. Let that sit for a second and then I apply my mascara. So today I'm just going to be using this Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara, and I'm going to put some on my top lash real quick. You don't have to put too much, so just 1 coat or maybe like 2 coats is good. That's it. Alright, so after you let them sit for a little bit, you'll just take your lash, pull it apart. So you see that natural bend there? So it'll easily bend onto your eye that way. Alright, so then I'll take my tweezers, and I use my tweezers to hold my lashes and everything. And then I'll go in and apply my glue. I'm gonna go ahead and apply, and this is the Broadway strip lash adhesive. I recommend using eyelash glue. I know some people use hair glue. I wouldn't recommend that. I mean, you can, but I wouldn't recommend that because I've tried that before and it was hard for me to get the lash off, since hair glue is like more tacky and more sticky. You know, it's obviously for tracks, so your hair won't fall out, but just do the good old eyelash glue. You want to be careful because you don't want it all to come out. Do you see that this side over here has more glue on that end? I want to make sure they're both even. So I will put a little more glue on this side, just so the corners of my lash will be secure, basically. Okay, so then you want to go ahead and let your lash glue dry for at least 30 seconds. You want it to get tacky. Ladies, if you don't let it dry, you're gonna be screwed. Usually when I do this, I'll put on mascara, and then I'll be putting on mascara or finish up any makeup I need to do while this dries. I'm just gonna let this fan out a little bit. Okay, so take a deep breath, breathe out. All right, get your mirror ready because you're gonna need to see. Okay, so what I like to do, I know people like to lift their head up necessarily. I don't like that. I lift my head down because I want to see my lash line. I want to see where I'm placing the lash. And you also want to tilt your hand kind of downwards so you can place it right on the lash. So here we go. So what I do, and then also, so I like to start with the center of my eye first, and then I will go ahead and attach the outer side. So this is what I do. My head is down, my hand is tilted down as well. I place it right on the center, make sure that is secure, and then I move on to the corner. So I'll go into my inner corner, make sure that is secure, and then I go into the outer. And I'll work my way over and squeeze my lash and the false lash together. Don't yank it away too hard because sometimes your tweezer will get caught on the glue. So just be really slow and gentle. Make sure everything is glued tight. You can see that you can't see your band. That's why it's good to put mascara, because it camouflages with the lash. Oh, my eyes are watering a little bit, it's okay. And then just make sure it's stuck. Sometimes it just doesn't stick. And there you go, it's attached. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if I haven't mentioned that earlier, because I can't be giving you tips and secrets and stuff like that if you ain't subscribed. That ain't right. That ain't right. Alright, so hit the button, hit the bell next to it, and join the fam. Y'all, we need a name. We need the J Gang. We need something. No, people already got J Gang. Leave a comment on what our name should be. What should we call ourselves? Hope you guys like this. It's been requested, so here you go. Bye, loves.